Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. Despite their importance, many people worldwide are deficient in omega-3s, which can lead to various health problems. In this video, we'll delve into the significance of omega-3 fatty acids, explore the symptoms and consequences of deficiency, and discuss ways to ensure an adequate intake of these vital nutrients. What are omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are considered essential because the human body cannot produce them on its own. These fatty acids are primarily found in certain types of fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as in some plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. There are three main types of omega-3 fatty acids: alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. ALA is found in plant sources, while EPA and DHA are primarily found in fatty fish and seafood. Understanding omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat that are necessary for numerous bodily functions. The three primary types of omega-3s are alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA. ALA is found in plant-based sources like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, while EPA and DHA are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines. Health benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are renowned for their various health benefits, including heart health. Omega-3s help lower triglyceride levels, reduce inflammation, decrease blood pressure, and prevent the formation of blood clots, thereby reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Brain function. DHA, in particular, is crucial for brain development and cognitive function. It plays a significant role in maintaining healthy brain cell membranes and supporting neurotransmitter function, which is essential for memory, learning, and mood regulation. Joint health. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties that can alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and improve joint mobility and flexibility. Eye health. DHA is a major structural component of the retina, making omega-3s essential for maintaining optimal vision and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Signs and symptoms of omega-3 deficiency. Despite the numerous benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, many individuals fail to consume an adequate amount through their diet, leading to deficiency. Common signs and symptoms of omega-3 deficiency include dry, flaky skin, brittle hair and nails, joint pain and stiffness, poor concentration and cognitive function, mood swings and depression, fatigue and low energy levels. Consequences of omega-3 deficiency. A chronic deficiency in omega-3 fatty acids can have serious consequences for overall health. Some of the potential health problems associated with omega-3 deficiency include cardiovascular disease. Insufficient intake of omega-3s may increase the risk of heart disease, hypertension, and stroke due to elevated levels of triglycerides, inflammation, and impaired blood vessel function. Cognitive decline. Low levels of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, have been linked to cognitive decline, memory impairment, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Mood disorders. Omega-3 deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of depression, anxiety, and other mood disorders. Adequate intake of omega-3s is essential for maintaining optimal brain function and emotional well-being. Inflammatory conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids possess anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Deficiency in omega-3s may exacerbate inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis, asthma, and inflammatory bowel disease. Preventing omega-3 deficiency. To prevent omega-3 deficiency and reap the associated health benefits, it's essential to include food sources rich in these fatty acids in your diet. Some dietary sources of omega-3s include fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, tuna, and sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds, walnuts and almonds, leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale. In addition to dietary sources, omega-3 supplements are available for those who may have difficulty obtaining an adequate amount through food alone. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplementation regimen to determine the appropriate dosage and ensure compatibility with existing medications or health conditions. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in maintaining overall health and well-being. However, despite their importance, many individuals are deficient in these vital nutrients without even realizing it. Signs and symptoms of omega-3 deficiency. Omega-3 deficiency can manifest in various ways and may impact different aspects of your health. Here are some common signs and symptoms to watch out for. Dry skin and hair. Omega-3 fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining skin and hair health. A deficiency may lead to dry, flaky skin and brittle hair. Joint pain and inflammation. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation. A deficiency in these fatty acids may exacerbate conditions like arthritis. Fatigue and poor concentration. Omega-3s are important for brain health and cognitive function. A deficiency may result in fatigue, poor concentration, and difficulty focusing. Mood swings and depression. Research suggests that omega-3s play a role in regulating mood and may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. A deficiency in these fatty acids has been linked to an increased risk of mood disorders. Heart health issues. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for the cardiovascular benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering blood pressure. A deficiency may contribute to poor heart health and increase the likelihood of cardiovascular problems. Vision problems. DHA, one of the omega-3 fatty acids, is essential for eye health and vision. A deficiency in DHA may lead to vision problems and an increased risk of conditions like macular degeneration. Impaired immune function. Omega-3 fatty acids play a role in supporting immune function and reducing inflammation in the body. A deficiency may weaken the immune system and make individuals more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Difficulty sleeping. Some studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may help regulate sleep patterns and improve sleep quality. A deficiency in these nutrients may contribute to difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep. Irregular menstrual cycles. Omega-3 fatty acids are involved in hormone production and regulation, which can impact menstrual health. A deficiency may lead to irregular menstrual cycles or exacerbate symptoms of premenstrual syndrome, PMS. Reduced cognitive function. Omega-3 fatty acids are important for brain development and function, particularly in children. A deficiency during critical developmental stages may lead to cognitive impairments and learning difficulties. Solutions for omega-3 deficiency. If you suspect that you may be deficient in omega-3 fatty acids based on the signs and symptoms mentioned above, there are several steps you can take to address the deficiency and improve your overall health. Increase consumption of omega-3 RCH foods. Incorporate more fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, into your diet, as well as plant-based sources of omega-3s like flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. Consider omega-3 supplements if you're unable to meet your omega-3 needs through diet alone. Consider taking fish oil or algae oil supplements to ensure an adequate intake of EPA and DHA. Choose fortified foods. Some food products, such as certain brands of eggs, milk, and yogurt, are fortified with omega-3 fatty acids. Look for these fortified options to boost your intake. Limit omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-6 fatty acids, found in vegetable oils and processed foods, compete with omega-3s in the body. Try to reduce your intake of omega-6s to optimize the balance of fatty acids. Consult with a healthcare professional if you're experiencing persistent symptoms of omega-3 deficiency or have underlying health conditions. Consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a crucial role in various aspects of health, including heart health, brain function, and inflammation regulation. However, many individuals are deficient in these important fatty acids, which can lead to a range of health issues. By recognizing the signs and symptoms of omega-3 deficiency and taking steps to address it, through dietary changes, supplementation, and professional guidance, you can improve your overall well-being and reduce the risk of associated health problems. Prioritize your omega-3 intake to support optimal health and vitality. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining overall health and well-being. A deficiency in omega-3s can have serious consequences for cardiovascular health, brain function, joint health, and emotional well-being. By incorporating omega-3 rich foods into your diet and considering supplementation if necessary, you can ensure an adequate intake of these critical nutrients and support your long-term health and vitality.